Hello and welcome back to my channel. Part 2 of the Jaguar X-Type 2-litre diesel. I have cleaned the inlet ports. If you watched the previous video, part 1, you would see they were badly clogged up with carbon. Now it's time to refit the glow plugs. Now what I normally do when fitting glow plugs, new glow plugs, I coat the thread in a light coating of copperies. That way they don't seize in. And all you do is just feed them through the hole. And get the thread started, like so. And do that for all 4. Just screw them down and then tighten them up. Last one. Whatever you do, do not over tighten them, because you could snap them off. That's it. And refit the lead. And the little small nuts. Careful not to drop them into the inlet ports. And just tighten them up. Just nip them up. That's it. That's it. That's it. Now I have cleaned the inlet manifold as best as I can. It's looking a lot better than what it was. What I'm going to do is fit new gaskets, and then this can be rebolted back into place. Right. Like so. These bolts tied. That's it. Then just go around and tighten all those up. And just double check the tight. Yep. Yep. Oh. Yep. 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 Last one. Yep. Right. Now, refit the camshaft pickup sensor plug. Click a bit in place. And that clips up there like so. Plug in the fuel rail. Pressure sensor. Next up is to fit the new EGR valve. Here is the brand new EGR valve. Nice and clean. I have to take off the studs off the old one to screw them into here. So just sit that there for the moment. So using a torque socket, I screw those two studs. I've already loosened them off. It's awkward doing this while holding the iPhone as well as unscrew these at the same time, but you get the idea. And the size of the Torx is, I don't know if you can see that, it's an E5. I gave the thread a bit of a clean and just screw them in. And just give them tighten them up, just give them a nip up, not very tight. Right, to fit this valve, it's much easier to fit it onto the intercooler hose first. Right, with a new gasket. Now the EGR valve is now in position. Tighten these two bolts up first before doing the EGR pipe. So we do the back one first. Where is it? There it is. Is it in there? That's it. And now, refit the nuts on there and on the bottom. That's it. Let's just nip it up and do the bottom one. That's it. Right, refit the vacuum hose. That's it. And then the EGR plug. Right, to fit the air filter assembly correctly, I need to take these vents off. Pull them forward like that and give this area a wipe down. Refit bracket for the air filter assembly. The air filter box just locates and pushes straight in. Refit the mass airflow sensor and refit the clamp like so. If you watched the previous video, part 1, this clamp was actually here and this pipe was never clamped on properly. Right, now we can refit these vents properly. Now they are fitted properly, I can clamp the bracket. Job completed. In the next video I will be replacing these injector seals, the top seals and the bottom seals as well, and clean up all this oil. I may need to change the rocker cover gasket at the same time while I'm at it, and I'll also change the diesel filter because the diesel filter is just dangling around there. It's loose, it's not even clamped up properly. Right. We go here. No problem. AC on, temperature low, climate. Right. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.